Hey guys, I'm Shanu. I am a Feelunique brand ambassador and also the very first top vlogger, and I'm so excited to share with you today my Feelunique Best of Beauty box. Now, I was so excited to do this with Feelunique because I wanted to give you guys something that, whether you're going for a hot day after works or some drinks or maybe even a networking event, you have something that you can take anywhere and that's going to bring your look to the next level. The first product that I chose in this box is this Rimmel Instant Fix and Matte Translucent Setting Powder. It was so important for me that this box can suit everybody. It's a universal box, so whether you've got dry skin or oily skin or dark skin or light skin, you can use every single item in this box, including the powder. So for example, you can use the powder underneath your foundation and that's going to help your foundation last longer. Or if you've got oily skin like me, you know, you can get a bit like greasy during the day and all you need is a light touch of this powder and you're back to your fresh, regular, degular self. Now, the next item in here is this Lanolips 101 Ointment Multi Balm. It's in a strawberry flavor because strawberry is just so delicious. But the real reason that this was so important for me is that because it's got 101 uses. Now you may be wondering, Kat, it's a lip balm. What can you do 101 times with a lip balm? Well, you can put it on your lips, you know, in case you're kissing your cute date at the end of the night. Or you can put it on any dry patches you have. You can put it on your cuticles because it has vitamin E and that's going to moisturize your cuticles. You can even put it in your nasal passages. I'm serious. You can do whatever you want with this lip balm, so definitely try it out. On the note of moisture, the holy grail is Palmer's Cocoa Butter. Like, I don't even think I need to tell you about this one, it's that good, but just in case, it contains vitamin E and it's fantastic if you've got rough or dry skin. Now for me, my elbows get really dry, and when they get dry I get like emotionally distressed. This is how much I love this product. I've got 270 gram version, lots of these, but I can't carry them around, so the 30 gram version is perfect because it fits in my handbag, it fits in my desk at work, and I'm always safe and secure. The next product I have in here is this Rimmel Extreme Black Wonderful Mascara. It's fantastic because it can take your eyes from basic to dramatic in just a few coats. The end of the day, the beginning of the day, you just pull out the wand, put on a couple of coats of mascara, and you've already just turned your look to a whole nother level. Last but not least is honestly my favorite product in this whole box. All of these are amazing, but this in particular, this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Madrid, and I am a massive liquid lipstick fan. In fact, I believe that nothing can really change your look than a bold lip. But the thing about the traditional liquid lipsticks is over the day they can feel a bit heavy, they can feel a bit dry, but this one is amazing because it takes the matte-ness of a traditional liquid lipstick and mixes it with the softness of a cream. So you put it on, your lips look amazing, you're stunning the whole world, and you've actually forgotten because it feels that lightweight on your lips. So people are going to be checking you out and you're going to be wondering, why is everyone checking me out? And then it's gonna hit you that, oh yes, because I'm wearing this lipstick. It is amazing. And guys, that's it for my Best of Beauty box. I really cannot wait to see how you guys just slay with all these products. And the best thing is that it only costs £10. Like, I will pay £10 just for that lipstick alone. So you're getting a whole lot with this box. It just makes me so happy because it's like glamorous, but like affordable, and who doesn't want that? So you can buy this box on the Feelunique website, of course. Bye guys!